Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over the t-test calculation online. Type in Vassar stats, that's from Vassar College, and come over here, t-test, we'll click on that. To sample, also known as independent samples, or correlated, also known as paired. So we'll click that. And we're going to do independent samples t-test for the Unit 5. And I've got very small sample sizes here for my example. Left click, highlight, hold it down, and then right click anywhere in there and copy and paste that puppy right in here. And come over here, sample B is this, and we'll do the same. And we're ready to calculate. And we've got a bunch of goodies down here. The bottom line is the p-value. One-tailed means we're only interested in whether the average went down from A to B. Or we're only interested in whether it went up from A to B. Two tails means we're interested in either way, both. And either way though here, one or two-tailed, it's not stat sig. The one tail, as a side note, is half of the two-tail. And the other consideration here is whether there's equal variance in the samples. So if there's unequal variance, then we do the unequal variance independent samples t-test. So two types of independent samples t-tests. One is equal variance and the other is when there's unequal. The results here, we see the note down here, they're assuming equal variances, but we can go down further and check that with what's called the F-test, also known as Levene's test. And that p-value is also not stat sig. That means there's no difference in the variance between samples. So we will go with the equal variance, and that is this up here, equal variance, two-tailed. So here's our answer. If it was unequal variance, we'd scroll down a little further. F-test, we just talked about that. T-test, assuming unequal. And the p-values are very similar to equal variance. And that concludes this presentation. And thank you for watching.